This video covers basic note lengths, allowing you to play music without worrying about the theory behind the counting. This familiar note with the dot coloured in is called a crotchet and is worth one whole beat. Its rest looks like this. A similar note with the hole in the middle is called a minim and is worth twice as much at 2 beats, and its rest looks like this. A block resting on the middle line. The note with the tail is called a quaver. It might be attached to other quavers, in which case it will look slightly different, but we'll see that later. And this quaver is worth half a beat. Its rest also has a bit of a tail and looks like this. The note without a stick is called a semibreve and is worth 4 whole beats. Its rest looks like this, underneath the second line down. It can be easy to get them mixed up, but learning how they fit into a standard 4/4 bar will help you to learn the difference between the notes. So in a standard 4/4 bar, we can fit 1 semibreve or 2 minims. We can fit twice as many crotchets. So in a 4/4 bar, we get 4 crotchets. And quavers, at just half a beat each, can have 8. See how they're joined together? Dotted notes. This minim with a dot is actually quite simple and called a dotted minim. It is worth 3 beats. It is simply the minim plus half of the note to make the whole 3 beats. Similar story with this, the dotted crotchet. This is worth 1 and half the note again. So this one is 1.5 beats. It's simply the crotchet plus the half note, the quaver, to make 1.5. See how in a 4/4 bar we can fit these dotted notes in quite easily with the other notes.